Graph the inequality below. Y is greater than -6. We need to graph the boundary line, which is y is equal to -6. We'll use a dashed line because we have greater than only. Grab a ruler and graph the dashed line at y is equal to -6. We need to shade greater than the dashed line, but not touching it. Graph the inequality below. -x, -2y is less than 6. We'll figure out the boundary line, solving for y. Circle the -2y. Add x both sides. -2y is less than 6 plus x. -2y is less than x plus 6. We can rearrange as long as we keep the plus. And now we'll divide by -2. What we do to one side, we do to the other. The rule is when you divide by a negative and you're working with inequalities, you need to switch the sign. We'll have y is greater than x plus 6 all over -2. There's the greater than. Looks different. Y is greater than -1/2 x minus 3. We're going to graph the boundary line y is equal to -1/2 x minus 3. -3 is the y-intercept. -1/2 is the slope. We go down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2, or up 1, left 2, up 1, left 2. Connect the points. We're shading above the line and not the line. We need a dashed line. Be careful. Next step, choose a test point. 0, 0 is a great one. It's part of the solution, and we'll use the original equation to check if it holds true. Plug in a 0 for the x, 0 for the y. Is that less than 6? 0 is less than 6. Is that true? Yep, that's true. We know that we shaded the right section. Identify the correct inequality shown on the right for the graph with the boundary line y is equal to -4x plus 2. We know our slope is -4/1 and our y-intercept is 2. The point is 0, 2. There it is. Down 4, right 1. Down 4, right 1. We'll form the line. The region above the solid line is shaded. And so we write y is greater than or equal to -4x plus 2. We'll do a test point. 0, 0 will not be in the solution. Using the equation, 0 is greater than or equal to -4 bracket 0 plus 2. Is that true? 0 is greater than or equal to 0 plus 2. 0 is greater than or equal to 2. No. Not true. Therefore, we were right. That 0, 0 is outside the shaded area. So we're good. Right and slope intercept form the inequality shown in the graph below. 2 points which the boundary line intersects are shown. We have a change in y is 2. And a change in x is -7. The y-intercept is -4. We have the point 0, -4. The slope is change in y over change in x, which is 2 over -7. Or -2 over 7. -2 over 7x minus 4. And we've shaded above, so we'll use the greater than or equal to sign. y is greater than or equal to negative 2 over 7x minus 4, and we'll check a test point. We'll use 0, 0, which is in the solution region, and the original equation, plugging in the 0, is 0 greater than or equal to negative 4? And yes, it's true. Therefore, we're right. 0, 0 is in the shaded region or area.